미만의 TCV 대신라 딜란지는 지라파 총바 총장이 강대요. 담도 동바 동장이 나 지랑지 되나요. 때문에 야가 쳤던 통하면도 당하면 됐을까면도 손 봐. 지랑지 밤만 마셔도요. 담도 담만 참아 가간 로리 총바도 가간 로리 선인도 가간 로리 하리. 다 강타게지 하야. 나 총대지. 이 강다 세례 종이 제 되는 정도. 당해마 돼서 참아. 총장이 다 뒤사면도 몰아봐봐 빠지다. 엄마도 총장님도 그나 제가 지랑지도 신대문도 그게만 좀 마시고요. 된 거, 다 먼저. 오.
부족팀의 날씨, 따라갔다는 날씨, 심수보다 내가 때부터 지나? 나다 믿어와 투유지 거리 예부터 나 비슷해 내가 쉬지 무지
This is the school's marching band. The school takes this opportunity to thank Mr. Keith Mitufer of USA for generously sponsoring the new drums for the school band. The drum section, in their magnificent traditional attire, will now take its position on the field to present the ceremonial drum salute. Chöpa. This is a musical tribute dedicated to His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. His Holiness has most graciously expressed his wish and consent to live beyond the age of 113 years. In this spirit, we offer our prayers for his long life and for the fulfillment of all his noble wishes. Today, a group of 113 students of senior section, trained under the guidance of dance and music teacher Mrs. Tenzin Chidun, will present this musical tribute, Reyang Lui Chöpa.
Surtero na shui. Yiptangbo, Rudar Sung Sopsi. Rudar Sung Sopsi, Yipim Lucel, Chanya Butang, Jibu, Subuyo Chido Ila. Nizi Lujuk, Chi Luke Salon Tang, Nang Sem de Tobaran Songa, Loto Peo Tang, Tu Chido, Yamru Lujo Chebaku, Royang ki Kyoko la Trosen Pebe Tone, Chapter Chikul Ingan Tona Lemie.
The first formation, 34 rows. The opening formation of 34 rows unfolds in perfect harmony, reflecting the precision and rhythm of calisthenics display. This presentation is not merely an exhibition of physical movement, but a celebration of discipline, coordination, and unity in motion. Calisthenics instills in self-control, teamwork, and dedication, while attuning their minds and bodies to the rhythm of music and the beauty of synchronized performance.
Shamsi me par ngozo tsone mi tu che sumba shin yip tini roe mi lig nam Shamsi tenpa shi suwe Shamsi lupa la ya che tu lik su shu che tu yin shin tenyang tilo Shamsi lo sungzi shu kyur mik ti suwa shi yinpe pi nga zui Shamsi sha shu kangmang la tar che gu batang Shamsi ni zhuwa yong la ya me tu mi ruwa shin yinpa ti jenggu shu shin yu.
The second formation, compassion. His Holiness the Dalai Lama says on compassion, I quote, "Love and compassion are necessities, not luxuries. Without them, humanity cannot survive." Unquote. This formation is a tribute to the power of compassion, a quality that softens hearts and strengthens humanity. Created in dedication to the year of compassion, it reminds us that every act of kindness matters.
Zamlin Kyung Su Shidun Tang Samshi Guibe, Rewa Tsukiyu, Chunda Di Chukuki, Geging Yuzi Rengshinki, Doctor Gume, Chumel Tang, Nyamne Chebar, Tumuki Kinti, Gulti, Nudin Chagube, Jingul, Nindin Chebatang, Nyongling Tang Martu, Shoga Cheki, Turub Shiktu, Shidi Chundani, Rewe Dumetabu Yimbe, Nganzo Gewale Tewatang, Nyamne Chebar, Shungnu Palmachi Guibe, Jingul Tonkiyu.
The third formation, the peace logo. The peace logo, here in this formation raised on a pedestal, embodies a universal desire for harmony and understanding. Its minimalist design contrasts sharply with the complexities of conflict, serving as a powerful reminder of our collective responsibility to foster dialogue and coexistence. In an age marked by strife, war, and division, the peace logo stands as a beacon of hope, urging us to prioritize empathy and collaboration over discord.
Doa mi liki rangshin ni chamzi tenpa shik yinpe. Rang dewa do na chamzi nyam linki, she la dewa do na yang chamzi nyam linki, she kalab rabda ribat na wa shin. Chamzi sheba ni lume chik ma yinpar, mi ger sosyo diki tang, zamli kyo yung so shidi lingja yung war, luba tenpa shik yinpa, di shing yu.
The fourth formation, Chamtse. Inspired by the Tibetan word for compassion, this formation embodies the essence of Chamtse, the boundless kindness and loving concern that His Holiness the Dalai Lama teaches as the heart of humanity. I quote, "If you want others to be happy, practice compassion. If you want to be happy, practice compassion." Unquote. The formation reflects his message that compassion is not weakness, but the greatest form of strength, a force that brings peace within ourselves and harmony to the world.
Khonsa Kyamgun Chimpucho, Kosi Tilur Tempasho. Khonsa Kyamgun Chimpucho, Yukuletu, Kosi Tipu, Rodu Kyongway Gerti, Kyongshi Betuchi, Taja Puminam, Rawan Yube, Kegab Shendan Sumbi, Manzo Tendin Shi, Rosu Chuku Yubani, Khonsa Kyamgun Chimpucho, Kangni Ki Selsum Ki Zeti, Kona Le Chumar Song, Pumi Samsen Sam Mayimpar, Samni Kendukun Ki Letu, Khonsa Kyamgun Chimpucho, Kosi Tilu Tem, Pardo Tempar Shoshe, Suwa Pusu Deshin Yu.
The fifth formation, Long Live His Holiness. His Holiness the Dalai Lama, the global ambassador of peace, the protector of the Tibetan people, and the embodiment of Avalokiteshvara, has devoted his life in unwavering service to others. The advancement of democratic governance within the Tibetan community stands as a testament to his profound leadership and enduring commitment to the welfare of his people. We offer our sincere prayers for his continued long life, not only for the Tibetan people, but for the well-being and spiritual benefit of all humanity.
Yip Chokpa, Nazo Gumbu Chikji, Tiang General Khonsa Kyamgun Chibu Choki, Mi Chizo Nang Pusum Sope Chudan Rikshu, Jemi Nazoki, Rua Mi Shise Tutang Nushu Pewatang, Rua Mi Shise Chi Timki, Nazo Sangma, Mi Kimzan Chigin Nang to Netub Yuche, Gazel.
The last formation, Unity in Diversity. The formation symbolizes His Holiness the Dalai Lama's message on diversity. I quote, "The rich diversity of cultures and religions should help us strengthen the fundamental human rights in all human communities. Underlying the diversity are fundamental human principles that bind all of us as members of the same human family." Unquote.